Hi guys! So I just got out of the shower and I'm going to show you everything that I use on my hair to style it. And I'm actually going to give my hair a quick trim right now since it's wet. I either do it straight or wet. And I'm going to stand over the garbage can so I don't make a mess. So everything that I'm talking about today, I will link in the description box below. And I will also pin it to the top comment so it's easier to find. Even like stuff in my bathroom, like this cabinet, you guys, is on the back of the door. You can put so much stuff in here. I am obsessed with this. I just part my hair in the middle, and I guess this wouldn't work if your hair is shorter than this, because I pull everything to the center. And just straight down, put my chin down, and then I'm going to cut, hopefully you can see this, I'm going to cut just across at the bottom to give it a little trim below where my fingers are holding. And then to make sure it's even, I just pull all the way to the side. Come in like this to get rid of any points in the center of my hair. And cut that. I always trim my hair like this quite often, just to keep it healthy. So another thing I do is when it's dry, I'll just kind of go through it like this and get any split ends that I see sticking out. They kind of just show themselves when they need to be cut. And that is it. That is how I trim my own hair. And if I do decide to cut some more layers, I will also film that for you guys. But right now I'm kind of trying to grow my layers out. For shampoo, my current favorite is this TRESemmé Protect and Repair shampoo and conditioner. And then after that, I use, this is Arvazalia Hydrating Argan Oil Mask. And I actually need to reorder. It's basically gone. I use this every time I wash my hair. I love it. Oh, I love the smell. And it's nice and thick and rich and makes my hair super soft and healthy. When I'm washing my hair, I use this scalp massager when the shampoo is in my hair, and my hair feels so clean. I love it so much. And when I have conditioner in my hair, I pull the conditioner through my hair like this when I'm in the shower. And then I just take my hair full of conditioner and clip it up, and then wash the rest of my body and then rinse that out. I also have this wet brush. Sorry, it's all full of hair because I just used it. This is so amazing. It's nice and flexible. It feels great on your scalp. Like if you have kids even that hate to have their hair brushed, I would definitely get this brush because it just feels so good on your scalp. You can use this wet or dry. And then after I've washed my hair and it's wet, I use Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. This helps my hair dry a lot faster and keeps it nice and smooth. I do use a lot of products in my hair, but you will see that it doesn't get greasy and it just really works for my hair. So I'm just giving you ideas of what I use. You can pick and choose what sounds right for your hair type. My hair is finally thick again, thanks to the Saint Tropica hair growth vitamins. I will also link that down below for you guys. I have gotten so many comments from a lot of you guys that they have helped you so much, and that makes me super happy. And I have gotten a few of you saying that they didn't work for you. And the good thing is at least you tried and you get your money back. It's 100% money back guarantee, so there is no risk at all. Next, I'm going to use this hair serum, like 5 pumps. Again, I'm focusing more on the ends of my hair. So my hair is coarse, thick, kind of frizzy. So I do use a lot of oils and products in my hair. And I only wash my hair about once or twice tops a week. So the natural oils in my hair are what is keeping it so healthy, and I don't style it a lot, you know, like only once a week or twice a week. And that is another thing to do to keep your hair super healthy. Now I'm gonna brush that through my hair. And I'm going to let it air dry for a little while. And I think today I'm gonna let it air dry for a little while and then blow dry it. And I will come back and show you guys how I style it. I'm gonna add some L'Oreal Blow Dry It spray. This is a heat protector and it helps your hair dry a lot faster. So my hair is air dried for a while and I am just going to blow dry it. And I kind of alternate between the wet dry brush, and this is a Conair. It's copper on the brush, so it helps your hair dry a lot faster. This is my favorite hair dryer. It is a Conair and it dries my hair nice and quick. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways that I style my hair. First, I'm going to use the John Frieda hot air brush to smooth out my hair. And I'm going to add some of this Instant Shine spray. So you can see how my hair straightens, but it stays nice and full looking. And when you use a flat iron, your hair gets really flat. It just closes down the cuticle and doesn't give it as much body. So this is what I've been using to straighten my hair, and it gives it so much shine and body, but still straightens it out. You can also use it to flip the opposite way, but I'm just going with the straighter look. So after I've done all the way around my head, I take the center part and curl this all together and under. And that is how simple it is to straighten my hair and give it tons of body. Then sometimes I will use Dove hairspray. This is my favorite because it smells super good, just to kind of calm it down a little bit, any frizzies, and that is it. So I'm gonna throw this into the video and show you also how I curl my hair like this. So I went from this to this. And I will just keep going on the other side. I'll show you what it looks like in the back. So I'm gonna go to the part that I just finished curling and just continue on to the next piece. And all I do is take my curling iron, go down to the bottom, pull it out like that, and if it's too curly, you just kind of pull on it. I don't like my hair super curly. This is more just kind of like a sexy, beachy wave. But if you want your hair curlier, you would just use a smaller barrel. This is a 1.5 inch. I will link this down below. This is absolutely my favorite curling iron ever. And it really goes quick, and my hair will stay in these curls until I wash my hair. I may have to touch up a piece here and there, but other than that, they stay perfectly. And see, when I get to the bottom, I just kind of pull down just a little bit so the end still has some smoothness, but not too much of a curl. All the pieces I'm curling back. This is exactly the same way that I styled my hair when it was shorter, and I will pop up a picture here of when my hair was shorter and I was doing the same exact technique. So it really works for any length hair that you can get into a curling iron. Make sure you've got a really good heat protectant in your hair. That's what you see the smoke coming from, is a good thing. That is the heat protectant. And be careful you do not burn yourself. I actually burn myself all the time if I'm not paying attention. So see how I kind of come to the center with the curl? I like the way that looks better. I want to get the hair pulling to the center, so I just let that cool for a second. Then I grab these underneath pieces from the back, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just curl backwards. Pull down, and that's it. That's how quick it is. Then once it's cooled, I just run my fingers through my hair. And like I said, it totally depends how straight or curly or wavy you want your hair, depending on how long you leave the curling iron in and how big the barrel of the curling iron is. So the larger the barrel, the bigger the curl, and the less curly it will be. Then I like to take hairspray and go through my hair with the hairspray. Spray it in my hands, pull these pieces forward. like kind of that messy look, like you really didn't try that hard or spend forever on your hair, which I didn't. This is like, you saw how fast I did that side. It took equally as quick to do the other side. And that's it. That's how fast it is to curl. Please let me know which hairstyle you like better, the curly or the straight. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.